Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Revised K-12 Curriculum, Math, Grade 3, Quarter 4, Lesson 1, Day 4. Our topic for today is about division using the 6 multiplication table. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, the learners are expected to identify the division facts for the 6 multiplication table. Divide numbers using the 6 multiplication table. And apply division by 6 in the simple real-life situation. Solve the following. 1. 48 divided by 2 equals 24. 2. 63 divided by 3 equals 21. 3. 36 divided by 4 equals 9. 4. 80 divided by 5 equals 16. 5. 100 divided by 10 equals 10. If you have 24 candies and want to put 6 in each bag, how many bags will you need? Try to solve mentally using the 6 multiplication table. Answer: you will need 4 bags. 6 times 4 equals 24, so 24 divided by 6 equals 4. Division by 6 can be solved using the 6 multiplication table. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. 18 divided by 6. Which number multiplied by 6 gives 18? That is, 6 times 3 equals 18. 18 divided by 6 equals 3. 36 divided by 6. 6 times 6 equals 36. So 36 divided by 6 equals 6. Division is finding how many groups of 6 are in a number. Solve the following. 12 divided by 6 equals 2. 24 divided by 6 equals 4. 30 divided by 6 equals 5. 42 divided by 6 equals 7. 48 divided by 6 equals 8. Pupils solve individually. 1. 6 divided by 6 equals 1. 2. 18 divided by 6 equals 3. 3. 30 divided by 6 equals 5. 4. 54 divided by 6 equals 9. 5. 60 divided by 6 equals 10. There are 36 chairs. Each row has 6 chairs. How many rows are there? Answer, 36 divided by 6 equals 6. There are 6 rows. A baker baked 42 cupcakes. He wants to put 6 cupcakes in each box. How many boxes does he need? Answer, 42 divided by 6 equals 7. He needs 7 boxes. How can the 6 multiplication table help you divide numbers quickly? Answer, it helps us find how many groups of 6 are in a number without counting one by one. Solve the following. 1. 12 divided by 6 equals 2. 2. 18 divided by 6 equals 3. 3. 24 divided by 6 equals 4. 4. 36 divided by 6 equals 6. 5. 48 divided by 6 equals 8. Solve the division problems. 1. 12 divided by 6 equals 2. 2. 18 divided by 6 equals 3. 3. 24 divided by 6 equals 4. 4. 30 divided by 6 equals 5. 5. 36 divided by 6 equals 6.
Maraming salamat sa panonood. Huwag kalimutang i-like at mag-subscribe para sa higit pang educational content. I-click ang bell icon para ma-update ka sa ating mga bagong video. Salamat!